welcome to Health Corner on top your Good Morning NAIJA show with me, your one and only Dr. Adora, where they summar you with all the better information you need to make sure say you they carry first on top your health matters and the casualness of your body. This week I get another very interesting topic for you, and some people they call them in fact, I start with the big name. The big name now, conjunctivitis, aka Apollo for this side. And some people they call them red eye. What be this conjunctivitis? Now the redness and the inflammation of the membrane. It gets some kind of clear membrane where they cover the white where they use look me now, the white of your eye, and the membranes of the inner part of your eyelid. So now when the thing turn red or it become inflamed, and this red eye, the most often cause, the most thing where they cause and where we're now virus or bacterial infection. Then sometimes allergies, some kind of chemical agents, and even when person gets disease, we just stay there where people not even know. This one self it play the same role, cause this conjunctivitis. This conjunctivitis now inflammation of the conjunctiva. And what will be the conjunctiva? Now the thin clear tissue where they on top the white part of the eye, and they line the inside of your eyelid. So waiting they cause this red eye. I've been a conjunctivitis, I've been a Apollo. This red eye, it gets different causes. Like I mentioned before, I say if it be virus where they cause them. If it be bacteria, e.g. gonorrhea and chlamydia. Then it gets some kind irritants where you fit use, where if you just go cause this conjunctiva, like your shampoo. If you enter your eye, get some kind dirty where go enter your eye, where fit even cause them. On top that one, if you they smoke, or you they pass where smoke they. Then, even inside pool, you get one chemical where they put inside pool where they call chlorine. This chlorine too, they responsible sometimes. Then some other allergies like dust or pollen. Then any special type of allergy where they affect people where they wear contact lens. This one self, if it because of this red eye. Then the red eye where bacteria they cause and other viruses, if it spread easily from one person to the other person, but not be serious health risk if then catch them on time, arrest them. Red eye for newborn babies, however, it could make you report them to doctor immediately because this one will go cause vision-threatening infection. Waiting at me be that one. If you not treat them on time, if it go cause blindness. Then waiting be the symptoms of this red eye, aka Apollo, aka conjunctivitis. That they differ, as in they're different based on the cause of the inflammation. But if it include all these ones, so I want to mention now. One of them now redness, that one now basic. You must see that redness. So if your eye not red, not fit the talk say you get Apollo. That now inside the eye or the inner eyelid. Then you go notice say it be like say tears, small thing. You go just they release tears. That now increased amount of tears. Then for some people that they experience thick yellow discharge. We go come crossed, as in you go come thick over your eyelashes. So when you sleep like this, wake up for morning to open eye, go they hard you. Then for some people that they get green or white discharge from the eye. Then on top of that one, go be like say you want to put your finger inside your eye, they scratch them. For some people, their eye go they burn, go they pepper them. Then for some, you go notice say, you know they see well. When you see, you be like say they see men as trees, they see double. Then some people that they experience increased sensitivity to light. Unto say anywhere bright light day like this, they know they see well. If I don't mention any of these symptoms, where, as in this, all this one where I don't mention, so if you don't experience any of them, I beg, waka, go meet your doctor. You go conduct better examination of your eye. You go even use cotton swab. If you want to hear the rest of the things, where if it go do for you, make sure say you tune in tomorrow, same time. I go stand up for here to continue this gist on top conjunctivitis, aka Apollo, aka red eye. My name is still Dr. Adora, and I go see you tomorrow.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.